everyone. Welcome to Rhonda Said I. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm really glad to see you here today. Today was kind of a mystery. I received a box on my porch. I said, I'm not expecting a box. It's a white box. It's a plain box. It's got a label with my name on it. And I thought that my subscription was over with this company because the company's been real sketchy lately about not sending things on time and sending things, a month late and 2 months at a time, so you don't know what's what, and there's no cards. There used to be cards. But I got a Bijou beauty box. On the website it said that my stint with them was over, but alas, I guess it's still going on, or they feel shitty about being late all the time. And so I did open it. Normally, I like to be surprised by what's in the box, but I was like, what the hell's in here? So let's see what all I got. And I think this is for like April, May, maybe. And it did have a little sticker and tissue paper. And there's a fuckload of stuff in this box. I hope that word doesn't offend you, but that is the word to use to express what is in here. There is a buttload. I guess I could have said buttload. Sorry. There's options, but I just wanted to cuss. So the first thing in here is an Active Life Beauty and Fitness, and it's got a little shaker in it. So it's like a little shaker to mix up like protein drinks and stuff, which is nice. And it looks like it's a good size. And it's definitely wrapped for my protection. And then also it came with a liquid IV hydration multiplier. And this is the non-GMO electrolyte drink mix, and it's in passion fruit. And I'm sure that I would love to have this sometime because I love stuff that has electrolytes in it. And if you don't know electrolytes in it, it's salt. Gatorade and all that stuff, it's fancy salt water with flavor. Mystery solved. I'm just cloud busting, y'all. Take anything and let me ruin it for you. Bam! Did you think Gatorade was magic? Did you know the story of Gatorade? Why it's called Gatorade? And the University of Florida football team they're getting dehydrated in practice because it's ungodly hot in the summertime in Florida. And their chemistry people, I think, made this mix, or somebody made this mix of electrolyte stuff that tasted pretty okay. And the Gators, because it's the Florida Gators, started drinking it, and then they marketed it and sold it, and that's where we get Gatorade from. The more you know. And we've got a hair conditioning mask from Kala, which is nice. I can always use that. Argan oil and flower extract infused. And you just put it on your head for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you wash it. After you wash your hair, remove any excess water, and then you put it on. And then you rinse with warm water. Very nice. I got an aloe peeling gel, lavender flower extracts, and it's a fine mild, I want to say mint julep because I'm from Louisville. The Derby, mint juleps and such. It helps remove dead skin cells and waste from the surface. So I think it's one of those peel-off skin masks, which I'm not a big fan of because they're kind of, I used to, like when I was a teenager, because they were kind of cool and creepy. But now I just don't like them because it makes my face feel real tight and not in a good way. I used to think if my face if my face felt tight, that it was clean, but that just means it's overtaxed. We got some lashes, and we got some Jackie Love lashes. They're faux mink. I have a good friend that loves big giant lashes, and I'm going to send them to them. And some more giant fake lashes by Wink Lashes. They look really nice. I just have to do magnetic lashes if I do any at all. And then we have nothing but palettes left. I know, and this is, I didn't say, it's normally like a $30 box, but this is like 2 boxes together because you can just tell because there's so much stuff in it. First off, there's a really pretty Milani palette, which is super nice. Milani is some good quality stuff. And then here is a Maybelline, which I love Maybelline Cosmetics. And that is really pretty burgundy palette. And then I've seen this this brand before in BoxyCharm, Illuminati, and this is with Isa. It's a designed by Isabella Badia, and this is what it looks like. And there's some glitters. That's a glitter. That's a glitter. No, that's not a glitter, but that's a glitter. And it's a pretty palette. I don't think I'll use it. It'll be great for a giveaway. Somebody will love it, just not me. I mean, do you know how many palettes I have? So many palettes, which I love, and I'm not bragging. Maybe I am bragging. I don't know. And then last but not least, from one of my very favorite companies, from Lurella, who I love. Anything from Lurella is good. I've never had a bad product from Lurella. And if you want to talk about glitters, then this is your friend. This is a palette of nothing but rainbow glitters, which is great. And you can definitely use that and have some fun. But I've got so much glitter. I don't know, is there ever too much glitter? But, you know, I don't know how much longer this box is going to show up. It is what it is. I thought I was done, but they keep pulling me back in. But thanks, Bijou. You're weird. You're always late, but you send a ton of stuff. I mean, so this is supposed to be like $60 worth of stuff. I'm sure it is, because there's at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things. So 9 things for $60. That's pretty good. Oh, 10 things. So that makes it like cheap. Some of this stuff is worth more than others, but this is what we got. So I want to thank you for being here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.